Today we are at LEGOLAND to have a calibration day, CAL Day. We have around 45 customers here from pharmaceutical industry, from power plant, from food industry, all through the industry from Denmark. And we have some good teachers from Beamex in Finland coming to talk with us and to show our customers how to use it, but also to ask the customer about the new ideas and talk with them about software development, hardware development. So it's a two-way communication. It's very good.
I have chose Beamex because we want to be a part of the future, and I think it's nice that you can take data from the SAP, put it down into a calibrator, and then let the calibrator perform calibration and don't have so much human errors.
Another reason for being here at LEGOLAND for me is precision. When we talk about precision, Lego is very, very good. One of the best. Normally, I don't say anything is the best in the world, but dare to say it about Lego. It's only because of quality. And that's the same with Beamex. Beamex has always been number one in different ways, and that means we can trust them. What they write in specification is always correct. When they do order handling, everything is always perfect. When we need information or we need service help, everything is always straight out and we can count on it 100%. So for us, Beamex is one of our best suppliers to work with.